Welcome back everybody to another video, and today talk the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and why the overall smartphone will definitely be rivaling the iPhone X by Apple. Now, one of the biggest reasons why is the overall design. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will pretty much look identical to the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but once again, it's not about the overall outside, it's about what Samsung is putting in the inside of the smartphone. But the screen to body ratio is still pretty high. In my opinion, the overall design pretty much rivals the iPhone X. Now, on the very back of the device of the S9 Plus, it's very interesting. You can see that it has a dual lens vertical AR camera and a fingerprint sensor underneath the camera. Now, by the way, credits to concept creator who made this video. Absolutely amazing. Check him out. He's a great YouTuber. But anyway, the iPhone X also has AR cameras on the very back, and ever since Apple launched the AR toolkit for app developers, many companies out there are pursuing AR features for their smartphones. Also, the fingerprint sensor is missing on the iPhone X, so Samsung actually brought it back and put it right under the cameras. Now, don't get disturbed by this. I really do feel like the fingerprint sensor is an essential part of the smartphone. Face ID isn't really for everyone, but Samsung is actually going for many different security features. They also might be going for iris scanning, Face ID, and also that fingerprint sensor on the very back. It blends pretty smoothly, and the AR features of the smartphone will be very powerful. Now, simply just talking about the insides of the smartphone, the Snapdragon 845 will be in the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, which will actually give a very big boost, and it will definitely be, in comparison, also rivaling the Apple chipset. Now, the iPhone X has a very good screen to body ratio, and the design is very smooth. We may be seeing the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus going for some sort of a very beautiful design, perhaps many different new colors that we've never seen before. We may also see them going for some sort of a glass and metal alloy back, along with a nice curved finish, and also maybe even 4K display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, just to mention that the pricing for the smartphone will probably be very expensive, but probably not as expensive as the iPhone X. We may be seeing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus starting prices at $950 instead of $999. That's all the rumors and reports I have for you guys. The Galaxy S9 Plus really is a powerful smartphone, and comments below, would you buy it when it comes out? Thanks for watching.